Many years ago I took your hand. Since then we've walked through wind and rain together. When it rained, I held the umbrella for you. When clothes tore, you mended them for me. In the blink of an eye, so many years have passed. Our faces are written with the weathering of time. But as long as you are still by my side, this beauty still shines brightly in my heart. Now the children have all started their own families and careers, bringing the grandchildren to crowd around our knees, calling us grandma and grandpa, watching them grow up happily. Our hearts are filled with the sunshine of comfort. We've said goodbye to the busy days of chasing daily necessities, and traded them for today's most carefree moments. Supporting each other, walking toward every sunset and sunrise. No tears, because having you is my true happiness. Even if one day we start to walk a little slower, we will hold on to the warmth of this world together. Hand in hand we've crossed countless springs, summers, autumns and winters. In this lifetime we will continue to guard our happiness together. Today we are keeping right up with the trends, putting on our glasses, scrolling through new smartphones together, going online to see how big the world is. You look up recipes while I read about new tech. Sometimes we even have a little chat with AI, and it tells us we are the most beautiful couple in the world. Supporting each other, walking toward every sunset and sunrise. No tears, because having you is my true happiness. Even if one day we start to walk a little slower, we will hold on to the warmth of this world together. Hand in hand we've crossed countless springs, summers, autumns and winters. In this lifetime we will continue to guard our happiness together. No matter how new technology gets, it can never be newer than the day we first met. No matter how far the internet reaches, it can never reach further than the connection in our eyes. Let's leave a like to record our timeless vow, supporting each other, walking toward every sunset and sunrise. Pure happiness, because I have your care for a lifetime. Even if one day we start to walk a little slower, we will slowly count the beautiful scenes of this world together. Hand in hand we've crossed countless springs, summers, autumns and winters. In this lifetime we will continue to guard our happiness together. Playing on our phones, chatting away, my dear old companion. Thank you for always being by my side. Hand in hand, let's continue into our happy tomorrow.